Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So as you guys saw on the thumbnail, we're going to do a cat eye but with some diamonds. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So we're going to start off with priming our face. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. I'm going to do my eyebrows with the NYX Fill and Fluff from NYX. Hopefully I have enough product because I'm almost running out. Hopefully I can do my eyebrows just for this video. So moving on to the face, I'm going to use the Brightening Creamy Concealer from Maybelline in the shade Fair 10. I'm doing this before the foundation so I can have more coverage on my imperfections. So imperfection means my horrible pimples. Over here too, I have a lot of pimples just here on my face. And just blend it with my fingers. Just going to do both hands so it's much faster. Moving on to the foundation, I'm going to use a Pretty Fresh ColourPop Hydrating Foundation in the shade Medium 80W. I like to put the product when the foundation has a pump. I don't know, it's just the thing that I usually do. But moving on to the concealer, I'm going to use the Covergirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. Let's bring the concealer to the lid just to have more control for the shadows. I'm going to use this Tonic Floral from Andalou just to refresh the foundation and the concealer. The only eyeshadow we're going to use for this makeup for today is the Cake Batter eyeshadow from the White Chocolate Bar from Too Faced, the one over here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Sorry for the noise, but our neighbors are moving. To do the cat eye, we're going to use the L'Oreal Matte Signature eyeliner in the color Black. I'm just going to take really my time to do the cat eye, especially on this side of the eye, because I don't know why it's always hard to do this eye than the other one. Falsies we're going to use today are the Ardell Double Up number 113. The lashes dry, we're gonna go with the contour. Et on va laisser sécher les faux cils. Use the Tarte Park Princess palette in the shade Angle to contour my face. And just do the contour. Apply some blush. Moving on to the setting spray, I'm going to use the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last in the scent Mango Coconut. I highlight my nose, I'm using the Wet n Wild palette. To highlight the bones of my cheek, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Afterglow palette in the shade Cliché. To combine the falsies with my lashes, I'm going to use the L'Oreal mascara that has collagen. Lower lashes, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Excess mascara. Now we're gonna put the little diamonds on the eyes, just on top of the eyeliner. So sorry for put some glow on the inner corner of the eyes. I'm going to use the Morphe Everyday Chic 35C, and I'm going to use the color On My Way, this beautiful gold color. I'm just going to put it on the inner corner of the eye just to have that glow. just want to do something fun, very colorful for the lips for this makeup look. So we're going to use an intense butter gloss from NYX in the color Berry Straddle. It's a very bright purple lipstick, so I just want to be, I don't know, I just want to do something fun with the lips, like we did for the eyes. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you guys saw, the lips are like not the color that we usually use, but I hope you guys enjoyed the eyes, the lips, everything, the entire video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share this video if you guys want, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. To highlight my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild palette.
Highlight my nose.
Oh yeah.